Have you ever invested in the stock market only to see it plummet? It hurts a lot and makes you question if this is all a clever scam to steal our money. You're not the only one who thinks that. Together, we will discover the true answer in this video. Why people feel this way. It's simple to understand why it seems like a scam. Everyone has heard terrifying tales of people losing everything in a market meltdown or from well-known scammers. The screen's wildly fluctuating numbers give the impression that the house always wins in a casino. It can seem as though the wealthy and powerful are given an unfair advantage, while the poor are left behind. You have every right to be afraid and suspicious. What a scam actually is. Let's clarify what a scam actually is. A dishonest trick is a real scam. It's a plot to defraud you and take your money. The system as a whole is designed to defraud people, and the fraudster alone gains from it. Answering our big question requires keeping that definition in mind. How the stock market is supposed to work. However, this is how it IG supposes to operate. Let's say a business requires funding to expand. They offer the general public stocks, which are tiny stakes in ownership. Purchasing stock entitles you to a small portion of the actual business. Your piece gains value if the business succeeds and generates more revenue. It's about taking part in business's long-term success. It's not a casino. Where's the scam? Is the market itself the fraud then? No, according to its design. The fact that e-scammers operate inside the market is the true issue though. They deceive people into making poor choices by inciting fear, hype, and lies. The system itself is a tool, but like any tool, it can be abused by dishonest people or used for good. The criminals who lurk in the market are the real threat, not the market itself. How to be a smart investor and avoid scams. How do you defend yourself then? Getting educated is the most important rule. Recognize the investment you are making. Promises to get rich quick are always a trap. Instead, use only reputable regulated platforms, diversify your investments, and keep an eye on the long term. In this manner, you can steer clear of scammers and safely accumulate genuine wealth. So, is the stock market a fraud? In actuality, the market is a useful tool in and of itself, but it does draw con artists. Knowledge is your best defense. Do me a huge favor and subscribe to Monetive for more straightforward guides if you found this useful. What other financial myths should we dispel next? Please let me know in the comments. Thank you for viewing.